This is Kurt Yaeger, and I'm riding the P-Series from Specialized. Bike's great, good color scheme. I love the way it stands. It's a nice ride.
Gotta find myself a couple of drinks. Gotta find myself a couple of drinks.
Run the Proton magnetic pedal. The stem's real nice. Bars are 11 degrees back and 2 degrees up. I mean, the only thing that's wrong with it is the person riding it.
Gotta find myself a couple of drinks. Red, red wine, you make me feel so fine. Red, red, red wine, make me feel so fine. Red, red, red wine. I got troubles on my
Been running it for a month now or so.
Red, red, red wine, make me feel so fine. Red, red, red wine.
I left the bike almost completely stock.
I went down the street to find myself
a good
couple
bike.
of drinks, hanging around with my homies, having fun together, a real pleasure. Thinking about what I have to do to get happiness back in my life again. Sometimes some brewage can do this, bro.
I'm gonna go around you again.